Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in a Ford Focus. First, ensure you have all the necessary items. You will need about 4½ to 5 quarts of the recommended 5W20 engine oil, a new oil filter, and a new drain plug washer. Also, gather your tools: a 13mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, a jack, and jack stands for safety. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and efficient. Now let's get that old oil out. Begin by safely raising the front of your Ford Focus using a jack and then securing it firmly with jack stands. Safety is paramount here. Once the car is stable, locate the oil drain plug, usually a 13mm bolt, on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath it. Slowly loosen and remove the plug, allowing all the old, dirty oil to flow completely into the pan. This step usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. With the old oil drained, reinsert the drain plug, ensuring you use a new washer for a tight seal. Next, locate the old oil filter, which is often close to the drain plug. Use an oil filter wrench to carefully remove it, being mindful of any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a better seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it about 3/4 of a turn more with the wrench. Finally, it's time to add the fresh oil. Carefully lower your Ford Focus back to the ground. Locate the oil fill cap on your engine, usually marked with an oil can symbol. Slowly pour in about 4½ to 5 quarts of the recommended 5W20 engine oil. Once filled, replace the cap, start the engine for a minute or two, and then turn it off. Wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if necessary to reach the full mark. Also, quickly check for any leaks under the car.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.